Okay. Hello.
Hi, it's Mother's Day. Maggie is 7 weeks and 2 days old.
Yeah.
And she loves to take showers.
Yeah.
And baths. And anything related to the water.
She loves it. And we hear from others that not all babies do.
Woo!
But
She
then
doesn't
there's...
even really mind getting her face wet.
Then there's our baby.
She likes to get her hair wet. Oh. Isn't that nice? She said, that's nice. That's Maggie's happy face. Yeah. There you go. A little cold, get your body wet. Oh, that feels better. Oh. Little yellow water droplets on your face. Hi, Maggie, you having fun? Hi, Maggie, you having fun? Thinking about smiling. She's thinking about it.
What a cute baby.
Let's turn up the water a little bit. It's a little too. Yeah. Is that better? Oh, that's a little better. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, your hair. Oh, nice. That feels good. Should we wash your hair? Ready? Squirt, squirt. And grab that hair. Grab that hair. Oh. What do you think? What do you think of that? It's awfully nice. Get your hair washed. It's awfully nice. Yeah. Yeah, you see Daddy? See Daddy in the camera?
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Maggie. Right back at you.
You smile for the camera. She does it every now and then. She did it once this morning.
Yeah.
Maybe she'll do it for the camera. What do you think, Maggie? You happy girl? Happy girls like to smile. Happy girls like to smile. So you get you under the water a little bit, keep you nice and warm. Wash that hair. Wash that hair. That beautiful hair. Come on, let's go. Rinse. Rinse that hair. Whoop. Good job. Good job. Rinse that hair. Oh, rinse. Good job, Maggie.
Camera's getting a little fogged up.
Uh-oh, camera's fogging up.
Oh, well. Well, we get the idea.
Get the idea. She likes it.
Bye, Maggie.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.